Hello, ladies. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry about that. I've just been really busy and creative and enjoying the summertime. Um, I'm off during the summer, so I don't have uh, work. So I'm playing. But I'm not missing in action. Or I miss a lost person. I've just been busy, is all. Um, Susan, I received your beautiful, beautiful letter today in Happy Mail. Um, I really appreciate that. I was getting worried about you, girl. Hadn't heard from you for a while, so it made my day to receive your letter and your Happy Mail. So thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate that. And um, yes, so thank you. So I'm doing like some finishing touches in here, and this is my nature journal. Um, so I'll show you what I got so far. I have this beautiful bead dangle that I made on the spine, and I decided to just leave all its beauty showing. I'm not going to put a book plate or anything on top. I'm just going to leave it plain because I love it. I love it. So, um, and then we have the little book corners that I made from some clay. I'll just show you up close. It doesn't come across the camera like it does in real. So, um, this is gonna go along with it. So, I don't know. I don't know when I'll list this to my Etsy, but we made a lot of this on my Facebook group. These are pockets with tags in them. So each one has a tag. But I have like 30 minutes to film, so this is very messy. Very messy journal. Kind of grungy, gessoed up. There's a pressed flower that I put in between two, like that laminate, self laminate, sticky adhesive on. It's like tape, but so I did a few of those. I haven't done a video for so long, I forget how to talk. So there's all kinds of colored stained pages in here and gessoed pages. There's some more pressed flowers. That just fits in there. I gotta put something in there. This is an envelope. Can open it up and right on the inside. Got a butterfly there. That was from some wallpaper I have. Yeah, Susan. I was worried. I was really worried about you because I thought, well, did I say something in my letter that might have offended you or bothered you? Or so I was actually, because you left me your phone and said I could text at any time, I was actually going to text you today. But since I like me, I'm not much of a talker like on the phone. I don't like being on the phone for some reason. Um, I've just always been that way. It's nothing personal against anybody. It's just me. Um, I just don't. I'm not a phone person. I hate being on the phone. Even texting. My mom is the only one I text. So, for the most part, anyway. So, I don't know. Maybe that's weird, but that's me. I can be a little weird, I guess. I'll admit it. So, today I'm just going through and gluing down. I have some Fussy Cut wildlife animals here. Wildlife animals and yeah, wild animals and bunnies and bears and birds. So I'm just putting them in on some of the pages that I think need some extra. And then I'll go back and put the tags into the pockets. I just didn't want it to get too fat. There's another pocket I need to put something in, but I thought the bunny looks cute in that little field of flowers. So, and I gotta put something in here in these little pockets too. So, and this one. So that's as far as I got, I think. No. Oh, excuse me. In there too. I do have something in there. Little tag. That's like a belly band. And this is a pocket. Did I leave it as a... No, I didn't. Okay, so that's where I left off, is sticking that butterfly on. So we will do this together. Sorry guys, I should have done that before I turned you back on. So let's see. We get a butterfly there. Envelope there. I'm just kind of randomly picking animals and birds. There was something else I wanted to talk about too, and I can't remember. My memory is awful. Oh, I know what it was. It was about going live on YouTube. So I was going to do a live video, and I can't. I can't do it because I need a certain amount of subscribers in order to do, I need like 1,000 subscribers in order to do a live video. And I don't understand why that is. I don't understand why you can't just do a live without having to have as many subscribers. So that's kind of weird. That kind of bummed me out a little bit, but oh well. I do have my Facebook group where I do lives on there, and I really enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. So I'll just, if I feel like doing a live video, I'll just go on Facebook and do it there. Matter of fact, tomorrow, today's Thursday, right? Yes. Don't even know what day it is. So tomorrow, on Friday, Mondays and Fridays, I usually go live on my Facebook group, the Laid Back Junk Journal Gals. But it's abbreviated. It's Laid Back J Journal Gals. Yeah, so I'll be over there tomorrow night at 7. Put a little bunny there. I'm not doing every page, but just where I feel that I need something, I guess. I was debating on just sending this with whoever buys it, sending the animals, but I don't know, I just felt like putting them in. It's a bird there, let's see, or a bird wing. See what a bird would look like there in the corner. How are we on time? We're 10 minutes, okay. So we got about 20 minutes left to play. So, last week, my Grammy passed. She had a bunch of issues. So, she's in a better place now. No more pain, no more suffering. She was 85. So we had our funeral to go to last Friday, and it was a long, hard day, but we got through it. But the highlight of my day was coming home and I was going to say whipping my bra off. That was part of the highlight of my day. That came off quick. So, yeah, doing my live and crafting and being able to chit-chat. That was a good part of my day, so. I don't have any sea creatures in my fussy cuts. He's looking under a rock. Maybe we'll put him there. That's good. Oh, that's in there tight. Oh, because it was stuck a little bit, but it wiggles in and out. I had to look at it again because I don't remember putting it in there. And I gotta put something in most of the pockets in here. So what's this? I don't know what this is. Some kind of critter. We'll put him there. I have a friend that tried to send me a Happy Mail, and for some reason the post office didn't send it, and I feel bad, but there's nothing neither one of us can do to, because we waited quite a while for it to come, and still nothing. And so I feel really bad that she sent me a Happy Mail and it didn't come. And I'm not naming names because I don't want to, just for personal reasons, I guess. But she said she was going to send me out another one. I hope she doesn't feel... I hope you don't feel obligated to send me a Happy Mail, because yes, I do really enjoy getting them, but I don't want you to feel obligated that you have to do it. So, yeah. Cute little baby cub. And I probably have to put something in there too, yep. This was fun to make, this little flippy thing. All collaged, it's kind of ripped there at the crease. Good thing I had some glue handy, but I feel that it's gonna keep ripping anyway, but that's alright, it's grungy. It's a grungy little journal. Oops, it just sets up like that. Let's put these guys, this is a good color, I think, matchy color. I went to the store today and I got kind of yelled at by the cashier. I went to go pay for my stuff, and I told her that the thing that you put your card in wasn't working. It said Verifone on it, like it had a different screen. And I went to go turn it around to show her. And she said, it's because you're turning it around and the wires come loose. I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't know. I said, but that was like that before I turned it around. I didn't do anything. I was just trying to show you. And she was slamming down her barcode scanner, and she was putting change in her change drawer thingy, because you know how most of those change things come out in a machine. Well, man, oh man, she wanted to ruin my day. She was nasty. And I think I'm gonna talk to, I know her supervisor, and I'm gonna mention it to her supervisor, you know, that if, or maybe I won't, I don't know, but maybe she was just having a bad day. But it seems like every time I go down there, she's always having a bad day. But I think if you're gonna work with people, you have to have a certain attitude. I know there are, like, I wasn't a bad customer, I don't think. I wasn't telling her she did her job wrong. I was just trying to buy something. And I don't know, like, if you can't work with people, you shouldn't have a job where you have to work with people. That's all I'm saying. You have to have a certain kind of manner and attitude to work with people, customers and stuff. So, but I didn't let her ruin my day. No, I didn't. I forget that I can put stuff up at the top too, but I always tend to put my stuff down at the bottoms. Look at this long-legged critter. And I just realized I'm not inking anything. That's alright though. Sometimes I just get in a flow and I forget to ink. And there's another pocket I have to fill. Okay, let's see what else. I kind of want to put this little buffalo in there somewhere. Whoa! Flying buffalo. I didn't know they flew. He's a flying buffalo. I'm gonna put an animal or something on the tag. What about that deer? I think it's a deer. Could be something different. Oh, there's an envelope there. I forgot about that. Good thing I didn't glue that down there. I would have sealed that right tight. I'll put it on the back side. There. That's why I left that. Okay. It's been a while since I worked on this, so I can't remember everything that's in there. So then all I have to do is fill my pockets. Journaling space, journaling space. Yep. And there's the back. And we have another one of those things. So I think I'm done doing that part. So there's the back. And I love the back just as much as I love the front. And you think it would be, it looks like it's heavy. It's got some heft to it, but it's not super, super heavy, which is really cool. And it's squishy. It's really squishy. The covers are hard, but it's got a squish to it. And I'm going to have to figure some way to close this. I may just use 2 little clips and use like a chain, some type of chain, and have the clip here run the chain through and the other clip here. I may do that. That's what I'm thinking I'd like to do anyway. Alrighty, ladies, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.